Hey, good afternoon, friends and family from Marine Corps Logistics Base Barstow. My name is Colonel Clemens, Commanding Officer. I'm here with Sergeant Major Kretschmer. And today we'd just like to give you an update on what's going on in our world as far as COVID-19 is concerned. We'd like to just encourage everyone to be smart, exercise appropriate measures so we can ensure our ability to carry on the mission here at MCLB Barstow. If you've been in contact with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19 and you're showing symptoms, please notify your chain of command or your supervisor immediately. We want to make sure that you're getting all the care and support that you need, as well as take necessary precautions to halt the spread of the virus. Just because Barstow is far better off than our brothers and sisters in Albany does not mean that we should become complacent.
Some preventive measures that we can all apply are wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, cover your mouth when you cough, practice proper hygiene, social distancing 6 feet from each other. If you feel like you have the symptoms, please stay at home and contact medical, and wipe down all surfaces before and after you use them.
Consistent with the 1st Marine Expeditionary Force, as well as Marine Corps Installations West, Marine Corps Logistics Base's first priorities are this. Number 1, to protect our people. Number 2, to maintain mission readiness. Number 3, to support the whole of government effort against the coronavirus. To this end, operations have been curtailed in many different ways. The Defense Logistics Agency remains fully operational because they are in support of real-world missions which continue throughout the world to forward deployed forces. 1st Force Storage Battalion is now operating with a reduced workforce, but they are also fully supporting all real-world operations as well as the production plant. As of today, the Department of Defense Installations has entered into Health Protection Condition, or HPCon Charlie. There are 5 health protection conditions which characterize the health protection posture of an installation. 0 being indicative of no risk at all, and then it moves to Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta, being indicative of increased risk. So today we've been moved into HPCon Charlie. So there are requisite precautions which we are taking.
MCCS Barstow will have closures on the base. Will consist of the golf course, the pool, the rec center, SMP center, and the bowling alley. MCCS establishments that will remain open on MCLB Barstow are the hobby shop, the 1st and the 3rd weekends of each month, the gym, the combat room only for active duty personnel that live on Marine Corps Logistics Base Barstow, the fire and police departments aboard Marine Corps Logistics Base Barstow also. The Oasis Lodging, the gas station and the 7-day stores, Route 66 restaurant for grab and go only, and the Child Development Center will also be open.
Additionally, in concert with the Army leadership at Daggett Air Base and Fort Irwin, all active duty personnel's liberty boundaries remain limited to a 50-mile radius. For those who use the Transportation Incentive Program benefit in order to van pool, a waiver is being submitted so that you may continue to qualify for the program despite not maintaining the usage during this time. If Marine Corps Logistics Base Barstow were to go to HPCon Delta, I have a list of mission essential personnel from each of the tenant commands. Only personnel on that list and those residents aboard the base would be authorized to access the base if we go to HPCon Delta. Of note, the commissary would remain open. Given the current trajectory of the relatively limited spread of the virus here in Barstow, I have no intentions of closing the base. And that bears repeating, I have no intentions of closing the base. Thank you to each of the 41 persons who came out yesterday for the blood drive. Your selflessness is appreciated as our blood bank nears critically low levels nationally. Lastly, misinformation is spreading faster than COVID-19. Please only repeat information that you gain firsthand from a reliable source. Check the CDC website, marines.mil, the base website, base social media sites, my commander's updates, and your chain of command. These are all good sources. Twice per day, I'm in contact with commanding generals from Marine Corps Logistics Base in Albany, as well as Marine Corps Installations West. Our operations section is in daily contact with the city of Barstow and all the emergency officials. The Sergeant Major and I thank you for doing all that you can to stop the spread of COVID-19 from entering into our wire. We're all in this together, and together we'll all stay safe. Semper Fidelis.